This video will guide you through installation instructions for your Viking Premium Tour Pack Backrest. This will provide additional comfort and support for the passenger, especially on long rides. For installation, you'll need a wrench, a 3/8" drill bit, tape, and a measuring tape. Place the backrest on a table and unscrew the 3 flange nuts from the back of the backrest. Tape the bottom of the screw to avoid scratches on the tour pack. Align the 3 hex screws on the backrest with the tour pack to find a suitable position and use a marker to mark the points to drill. Once marked, use a measuring tape to confirm the drill points. Now drill the 3 points using a 3/8" drill. Align and mount the backrest on the tour pack. And tighten the lock nuts from inside. Close the tour pack cover and check for proper backrest alignment. Congratulations! Your Viking Premium Backrest Pad is installed, and you are ready to ride.